Okay, welcome back to eBiz Startup Secrets. In this video, we're going to be talking about finding something to sell to your market. Now, we're going to talk about 6 basic ways for you to sell things to this market that you found or this niche market. And you can certainly go outside of these 6, but these are the basic areas that you're going to need to start in order to get success fast. Now, in the first video, we talked about getting autoresponder software so that you can build a list of buyers. But regardless of whether or not you have a list of buyers, you want to have something you're going to sell to these buyers. So let's start thinking about these 6 areas and which one will fit the best place for you to start. Now, one thing you can do is to sell information products as an affiliate. Now, in a previous video, we talked about you're looking at ClickBank. Are there information products that you can sell to your market as an affiliate? Now, the beauty of selling as an affiliate means that you don't have to deal with customer service. All you're really doing is giving the link to your buyers. Now, of course, you will be getting a sales commission. You won't necessarily be getting all of the money from the sale, but again, you won't be dealing with most of the hassle that goes along with having to start a business dealing with customer service. You'll be able to start marketing. Once you've learned how to deal with things online, you'll be better equipped to give your users a great experience so that customer service will be easy for you and it won't be a hassle. So you can sell information products as an affiliate, but you can also create your own information product. So if you know that there is information that the users or the visitors in your market need to have, and you know how to put it together in a way that indicates that there isn't any other information out there like it, sell your own information product. Now, if you want to know how to put together an information product, one of the best things you can do is to go to ClickBank and buy another buy a product that's in your general niche. That will show you how to put together your own information product. Now, you can also create your own software. Now, this would basically mean that you would be going to a place like Elance or Odesk, and you'd be telling them, okay, this is what I want my software to look like, this is what I want my software to do, and you would pay someone to put together software that you know would serve your market's interest. Okay, so you can do that and then sell that to your market. You can also sell physical products. Now, most of us are not going to manufacture physical products. Most of us are going to be selling products as an affiliate. And one of the best places to start doing that is Amazon.com and joining their affiliate program. Now, one of the upsides is that Amazon is a great marketer, and they will, by your sending people to their website, you will be able to actually get sales because people trust Amazon. The downside to that is that you'll be getting a commission that isn't nearly the commission that you'd be getting from an information product, but you'll be selling more products hopefully, and you'll be able to generate an income that you would prefer. Now, one of the other things you can do is you can sell services to your market. If you know how to serve your market, you know what their needs are, and you can provide a service to them, you can sell services to that market. And sometimes that's an easy thing to do in order to get started online, basically learning how to build a list, learning how to provide or provide products and services and be paid for them, and being able to deliver when you say you're going to deliver. So selling services is one way for you to sell to your market. Now lastly, you can do a combination of all of these. can sell information products and a service. You can create your own information and sell software. So what you'll need to do is to determine what does your market want and what does it need, and then you should then design your product or your offering to sell to your market. So determine what it is they want or what it is they need, and then figure out how to take these 6 things or some combination of them and to put together an offer to them that will make them want to buy. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.